When you start studying numbers in Turkish, I recommend you focus on these 10 numbers first. Especially the numbers that come after 0 are very important for us. We will also use these numbers in 2-digit or more digit numbers. Now I'm going to read these numbers one by one for you, and you can also try to say them with me. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. So we have studied single-digit numbers, and now it's time to learn double-digit numbers. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. When the zeros next to all of these numbers are removed, we can get new numbers using all single-digit numbers. Let's see these details on a few numbers. 11, 11, 17, 17, 25, 25, 33, 33, 42, 42, 54, 54, 66, 66, 75, 75, 89, 89, and finally 98, 98. Let's make the numbers a little bigger. 100, 100, 1000, 1000. When we read these two numbers, we do not say the number 1 at the beginning separately. But when the number 1 gives its place to other numbers, the first number should definitely be read. Here are some examples. 200, 200, 300, 300, 800, 800, 900, 900, 4000, 4000, 5000, 5000, 7000, 7000, and 6000, 6000. Our climb towards larger numbers continues. 1 milyon, 1 milyon, 1 milyar, 1 milyar. Unlike the numbers 100 and 1000, here we have to say the number 1 absolutely. Well, I have prepared some numbers for you from easy to difficult, but you can try to say the numbers before I say them, and you can play the video to check if you are saying it correctly. Here are the sample numbers. 85, 85, 359, 359 1627 1627 4873 4873 10.407 10.407 34.690 34.690 123.951 123.951 867.253 867.253 1.548.604 1.548.604 85.341.024 85.341.024 And finally, the hardest one, 1 milyar 269 milyon 451 bin 300. 1 milyar 269 milyon 451 bin 300. Well, I tried to explain to you the logic of numbers in Turkish from the simplest number to the most complicated number. You can reinforce and comprehend numbers in Turkish with frequent repetition. And finally, I ask you to write the most difficult Turkish numbers for you in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. So, hope to see you guys in the new videos. Goodbye.